Okay, so here is the Duet board. Here's the box, powered by Duet 3D. So my friends over at Duet sent me this. I'm going to be taking a look at this. It's going to be for my 3D printer build series. Nice packaging. No dents on the box at all. Shipping went well. Okay, so we have the top foam here. We have the message here. Now, it comes with a nice little micro USB cable. Let's just put that aside. It has a little sticker powered by Duet 3D. A little card. Thank you for purchasing a Duet 3D product. And now it comes with the connectors and some little clips, I believe. Those are for all the headers on my board. And last of all, we have the Duet board. So there it is. You can see the nice open source logo. Okay, let's open it up. It looks like it has some tape. Very nicely packaged. And here is the board. You can see it has the chip here. That is the same chip as the Arduino Duo actually. Very powerful chip. It's got so many I/O pins. Power input and heated bed. You can connect your hot end here. The motors go here. And you've got some other ports and miscellaneous things here. So yeah, it's a very nice product actually. Got some breakout points on the back. Here it is. Okay, so that is what comes in the board. Here it is, the Duet board, the connectors. We have the crimp connectors. It says there are 100 of them here. A sticker powered by Duet 3D, and a little cool card. It also comes with a micro USB cable, and yeah. So I'll be using this in my 3D printer build log series. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.